For the management and reporting section of this video, we will display the capabilities of our centralized firewall management portal known as Network Security Manager. The first section we'll look at is the deployment and setup of a cloud-based firewall on any public cloud for north-south and traffic inspection use case. In this case, we're already in Network Security Manager in an Azure-based NSV 200 virtual firewall. We will head to the policy section. From here, we will narrow down to a north-south inspection policy. From here, we will look at editing a rule for north-south inspection. We can select our from and to, as well as our users, in which case we will only use trusted users. Next, we'll look at including deep packet inspection, as well as deep packet inspection for SSL traffic. Next, we'll make sure we preserve our quality of service markings. We will not be implementing any bandwidth management. Here, we will enable geo-IP filtering on our global level policy to make sure we're only looking at the appropriate data from appropriate countries. Finally, we can review the entire rule here before finishing and applying this rule for north-south inspection. For this portion of the video, we will display a centralized visualization of network traffic in a hybrid cloud or multi-cloud environment. In this case, we have on-prem firewalls, we have Azure-based firewalls for virtual, and we have private cloud virtual firewalls as well. In order to look at centralized visualization of all the traffic, we head to the Monitor tab from Network Security Manager. Here, we can see various traffic types being pulled across all of our firewalls. Additionally, we would head to the Source tab to find out which of our firewalls are producing the most traffic, as well as which of our top talkers within each firewall are using the most traffic. As network administrators, we know that this is a firewall, as well as this is a firewall. We can see the amount of connections they're pulling, as well as the overall percentage of total connections. We can source down to different types of data, including intrusion types, all of your threat data, your botnet access rules and geo-filtering data, as well as finally your content filtering and app rule data as well. You can look in real-time data by hitting the application section and get a better feel for what's going across your multi-cloud, hybrid cloud environment in real time. You can look at user data, all of your threat data, source and destination IP information, geofencing information, any kind of blocking data, threat data, or site-to-site VPN source and destination information to determine if traffic over a VPN is causing network saturation.